So, today we're playing Mystery Box Challenge with my family. I'll hide interesting items in this box, and my family members will have to choose whatever in this mystery box or the items I will prepare. Wow! Now let's have some fun! Go, go, go!
Yeah!
Let's start the first challenge. Let's play Mystery Box Challenge.
Wow, such a huge box. Let's play. What are the rules?
It's easy. You have to choose Mystery Box or... Wait a second.
Huh?
Or this green ball.
Wow, but I think I will go for Mystery Box.
Are you sure?
The Mystery Box.
What will you choose? These two balls or the mystery box?
I will choose Mystery Box.
Huh? Watch this. So, have you changed your decision yet?
No, I still want the Mystery Box.
Okay, Steffi, you can take your prize.
Exactly what I needed. Hooray!
That was unexpected. Let's see if we can trick her. Let's play Mystery Box Challenge!
Wow, Mystery Box!
Dasha, what will you choose? This baby doll or Mystery Box?
Mystery Box!
Okay, Dasha, how about two dolls?
No, Mystery Box.
Are you sure? What about three dolls?
Our choice. What's in the box?
Okay, let's see what's inside then.
What? It's empty?
Can't be. Let's see better.
Wow, it's so tiny.
Here you go. Your choice.
At least not an empty box.
Bye, Dasha. See ya. It's fun. Let's change the strategy a little bit. Box challenge.
Okay, let's play.
Alex, what will you choose? This toy or the mystery box?
Mystery Box.
Okay. Alex, what will you choose? Two toys or this mystery box?
I'll choose Mystery Box.
Three toys or the mystery box?
No toys. Mystery Box.
Okay, the box is yours.
Open it, open it, open it. Wow. Little motorcycle. Yay!
Oh, lucky boy. Let's give one more shot to Steffi. Let's go.
Great, let's play one more time.
Okay, Steph. 1 slime or the mystery box?
Box, please.
2 slimes.
Still box.
How about 3?
Box.
4?
Box.
How about 5 slimes?
Mystery box.
Okay, 6.
Okay, you convinced me. I choose 6 slimes.
Alright, the choice is yours.
Huh? Huge slimes and I have the tiny ones.
Well, the choice was yours. It's time for a joke. Granny, come here.
Oh, Maria, what is this?
I want to do a challenge with you. Grandma, would you rather to have this TV remote or the mystery box?
The remote.
Are you sure? There might be something interesting in this box.
I want to watch a movie.
It didn't go as planned. Guys, never try to prank adults.
Fantastic. Huh? Huh? Ooh.
Deadpool! Thor!
Superman. Batman.
Look guys, there's something in there.
What is this?
These are tennis balls.
You have to hit as much as possible balls into the toilet with the same color.
Got it.
Okay. I choose yellow.
I will throw red and green.
Oh no.
Don't worry, Alex. You just have to aim better.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Good job, Alex. Now it's my turn.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Let's count our balls.
Let's count how many balls we got in the yellow toilet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the green toilet.
Great job.
And now the red toilet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We did great.
Let's go.
We did it.
Wait, are these bowling pins? Ooh, amazing! It's a giant bowling lane.
You have to knock down as many pins as possible. You have 3 tries.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes, I did it! Hooray!
What does it mean?
You need to build a Superman logo using correct Lego colors.
Easy peasy. I just need to find out how many Legos I need. I know. Let's get started. I need glue. Thank you. Yes, I did it. What? Foam in the toilet?
You need to find the toys in the pools.
Let's go! Cake. Car. Guitar. Ball. Oh, yes. Lobster. Bear. Yes, I did it.
We've completed all the challenges!
Do you really want to play Mystery Box Challenge? Wow, let's go! Mystery boxes.
So many colors and numbers!
Secret. Number 11. Yay!
What's your box number? I forgot.
11.
11. Oh, I see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wow! Don't be afraid.
Yay!
Lower. What do you think is it? It's like a stone, but it's alive. What do you feel? What is it? It's cute, really cute. What animal is very slow? Turtle, you're right! Take a look. Smell turtles. You may take one now. Take this. So tiny.
Woohoo! Whoa! They're so cute. Number 9. Number 9?
9, yeah. Wow, so cool! You gotta guess, put your hands inside the box. What is it?
Is it a toy?
No, but you definitely know this character.
It's a cake.
Good job, Alex! Who is this? Any guesses?
No.
No? And now, any guesses?
It's Mario.
Right, and the princess! Mario and the princess! Yabba dabba doo!
Woohoo!
Good job, Alex! Are you ready for a real dance challenge?
I want to try it too! Let's find our mystery box. 10.
It's so cute. Any guesses? What do you think?
Lizard.
Closer, closer.
I can feel the tail. I think it's like something like big lizard or something. I touched his skin.
Brave. Be brave. It's not dangerous. It's cute.
It's like a tail. It's
Yeah.
moving.
Yeah. You ready to touch it? What do you think? It's a kind of lizard. The big one.
I don't know. Iguana.
Yes, correct. It's cute. No worries.
Oh,
Wanna touch it?
Yes.
Aha!
Woo! It's cute. Beautiful animal.
Yeah.
okay, now it's my turn. Number 8.
You ready?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh.
First, I'll check.
What device do you have?
I hear some snuffing and it smells bad.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Don't be afraid.
I can feel something.
Deeper, deeper.
Oh.
Scared.
Both hands, both hands. Both hands, both hands.
He's moving or they are moving.
I think it's hedgehog.
Right, it's a hedgehog. But now you have to guess the color. It's not the usual hedgehog, you know?
Maybe white?
Yeah, what? You're so smart. Great. Wanna meet them?
So cute.
Put it on your hand.
He bites me.
No, no, no.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Right. Kids, may I try?
Yes. Sure. Let's go.
So excited. What is it there? It's harder.
Whoa.
Oh,
It's divided into halves.
What hand should I put first?
This one, this one.
This one.
Something sticky.
What
What
is
is that? Is it jelly?
Yes.
Jelly? Really?
No. Yes. It's almost like a jelly.
Almost like a jelly, yeah. Is it tasty?
Yes.
Yes.
What about right hand?
Put your hand
Do you want? Plate, it's definitely plate. Worms?
Yes.
Worms? Really? I better taste this one.
And look at this one.
No.
Let's go.
Bye bye.
I'm next.
Number 1. Where is it?
Here is it.
Yeah, correct. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow. Use your hands. Ready?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Burger.
Yeah, correct. So quick. What about your left hand?
Candy.
Candy. What type of candy?
Burger.
Burger also. Yeah, Dasha, you are so smart. 2 burgers. Candy burger and the real one. Yummy. Let's go.
Let's go. 6.
I'm already here.
Oh.
6.
Yes.
Are you
6.
ready?
Yes.
Put your hands inside. Don't worry. It's yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Touch it.
No, I don't want. It's alive again.
Don't be afraid. What do you think?
Is it just lizard?
Lizards.
Yes!
Yeah!
A
How
lot of-
many? How many?
Let's see.
1,
Is it 2?
2.
Same.
Correct.
5.
Yeah.
6.
Total 6, yeah. And 1 spider. Wow, it's so cute. Oh, wow.
I want to try this one.
It's not dangerous at all.
Yeah.
1 by 1. Oh. You got it. Good job.
I'm next. I want to try this.
Hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Try. What do you think it is? What is it?
Barbie.
Barbie doll, right. What else? What's on the head of this Barbie? Shrimp, right.
I
Do you
don't
like
shrimps.
You don't like shrimps? Ah, take a look. Like a hat. You see? That's strange.
Such a strange head.
Let's go.
I hope I'll get lucky this time.
Ready?
Yeah.
I like it, Maria. I really like it. On the top.
Wait,
What is that? What do you think?
it's something
Something what?
something cold
Something cold, right? Probably it's ice.
and
What do you think?
something yummy. I think it's popsicles.
You're right. Choose
I like orange.
orange. Do you think it's orange? Okay, orange.
Mango. Yeah.
Berries.
Great. Cheers.
My turn again. 3.
Well, number 3.
Where is it? 7. Oh, 3.
Oh. It's very difficult to guess. What do you think?
Oh. It's Nutella, I think.
Yeah, you are right. It's easy. Easy, my friend. Delicious.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Only one box left.
What is this?
Oh, it's alive. It's moving. Ah. Okay.
I want to try it. What is this? My turn. Who is this? It's a head.
You can have a look now.
It was Daddy.
Who put me here? Oops! I broke the box.